Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch Ultra to your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent operating system. It's also a good idea to charge both devices to at least 50% power. Next, enable both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful pairing experience, ensuring everything is ready to go. Once your devices are ready, power on your Apple Watch Ultra and hold it close to your iPhone. You should see a prompt on your iPhone screen indicating that an Apple Watch is nearby and ready to pair. Simply tap the Continue button on your iPhone to initiate the pairing sequence. This action starts the communication between the two devices, moving you closer to a connected experience. You'll then have two options for pairing. For automatic pairing, simply hold your iPhone's camera over the unique animation displayed on your Apple Watch Ultra. The iPhone will recognize it instantly. If that doesn't work, or if you prefer, you can choose Pair manually. This option will display a 6-digit code on your watch, which you'll then enter into your iPhone to complete the connection. After successful pairing, you'll be prompted to either restore your Apple Watch Ultra from a previous backup or set it up as a brand new device. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, you'll create a secure passcode and customize various settings, such as text size and activity preferences, to personalize your watch experience. Congratulations, your Apple Watch Ultra is now connected and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.